We live in a time where kids and teens are getting access to AI technologies earlier than ever before. One of the platforms that's been gaining a lot of attention recently is candy.ai. This tool offers advanced conversational experiences, simulating chats with virtual characters or assistants. But as exciting as it might sound, many parents are asking the same question. Is candy.ai actually safe for my child? The truth is, while candy.ai may seem harmless at first glance, some of its content and features might not be appropriate for younger users. Certain conversations could touch on sensitive topics, include mature language, or even promote excessive screen time, which can impact emotional and mental well-being. And although most platforms include age restrictions, we all know that kids often find ways around them. So how can parents stay informed and protect their children without constantly invading their privacy? That's where smart tools like KidsGuard Pro come in. This powerful parental control software goes far beyond simple monitoring. It's designed to help parents identify and respond to digital risks in real time. Some of its key features include keyword alerts. You can set alerts for terms like candy.ai, AI chatbot, or any specific phrases. If your child searches for or types them in any app or browser, you'll get notified instantly. Full browsing history tracking. See what websites they visit, how much time they spend there, and whether they're accessing unsafe or AI-related content. App monitoring and real-time activity tracking. If your child installs candy.ai, KidsGuard Pro will alert you. You can also check how much time they're spending on it. Message logs, screenshots, and more. If something unusual is going on in a chat, you can access automatic screenshots or message history to understand the full picture. All of this happens discreetly and safely, no root or jailbreak needed, and you control everything right from your own phone. To sum it up, if you're concerned that your child may be using candy.ai or any other app that doesn't seem safe, KidsGuard Pro gives you the tools and peace of mind you need. Technology is evolving fast, and it's natural for young people to explore it. But with the right tools in place, you can make sure they explore it safely and responsibly. Try KidsGuard Pro today and take control of your child's digital safety. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.